Now to start off with our ghost playing baseball, let's begin right here with the face. So I'm going to start by making an oval for one of the eyes. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another oval for that second eye. For the mouth, I'm going to make a small smiley face. Then I'm going to make a little smiley face here. And we'll do a little curve for the tongue. Next, starting here, we're going to make the arms and the hands. So let's make a little line that's just going to kind of curve in and then go back out. Then we'll make another one here. We're just going to kind of curve in and then come back out. Now, we want to make the bat. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come up. And then right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to come up. And I'm going to curve to here. Next, I'm going to make a little line here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then up. Next, at the bottom here, we're just going to make a little curved line for the bottom. And then I'm going to make just some little lines right here for like the handle. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And we're going to make it a little wiggly here. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up. And then I'm going to curve this down to here. I'm going to jump over that little part of the bat and just kind of continue that little wiggle line there. Now, I want our little ghost kind of hitting a baseball. So I'm going to draw like a little baseball right up here. So for our baseball, I'm going to begin by making a circle. Then I'm going to make a little line like this, and then a little line like this. Then I'm going to add these little lines going right across it for like some stitches. Next, I'm going to make an oval shape for an eye, and then another oval shape for an eye. And then I'm going to kind of color in most of this, leaving just the sides white. That way it kind of looks almost like the eyes of a skull. Then I'm just going to make kind of like a little upside down heart shape for the nose. Then I'm going to make a couple little curved lines like this, so it kind of looks like the ghost just kind of swung and hit the ball. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon ghost playing baseball. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.